Making money with Chase Bank involves utilizing its various financial products and services to your advantage. Here are some ways you can make money with Chase. Interest-bearing accounts. Open a high-yield savings account or certificate of deposit with Chase to earn interest on your deposits. The longer you keep your money in these accounts, the more interest you can potentially earn. Investment accounts. Use Chase's investment services to invest in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and other securities. By investing wisely, you can grow your wealth over time through capital appreciation and dividends. Credit card rewards. Chase offers a variety of credit cards with rewards programs that allow you to earn cashback, points, or miles on your purchases. Take advantage of these rewards by using your Chase credit card for everyday expenses and paying off the balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. Mortgages and loans. Consider applying for a mortgage or loan through Chase to finance a home, car, or other major purchase. By making timely payments, you can build equity in your assets and improve your credit score over time. Referral bonuses. Some Chase accounts offer referral bonuses for referring friends or family members who open an account. Take advantage of these bonuses to earn extra cash or rewards.